There's a lot to break down here, but I'm going to run you through a couple of the dip progressions. First, we're starting with the negative dips with the band. Band's going to go just under the knee, which is going to help you maintain that hollow body position. Now I want you to take note of what your shoulders are going to be doing. So it doesn't feel like a very strong position, but you're going to retract your shoulders and push the chest forward. This is going to help you get into a strong position that allows your elbows to stay stacked over your wrist. With the negative or the concentric, you're going to slowly lower down into that bottom position and really focus on keeping the elbows stacking over the wrists and also figuring out this chest position. So it's this slight retraction of the scaps and this lean forward. Now that you've done that for a little while, you'll be moving into normal assisted dips. Same cues apply here, but now you're just simply doing the concentric movement. So taking note of the shoulders, you're slightly retracted and leaning forward to try and keep that elbow stacking over the wrist. This becomes relevant when you're moving into like muscle ups and forward rolls on the rings. If the band's too far back on the legs, it's going to mean that you're not going to be able to be in this hollow body position. Now you're onto the negatives without the band assistance. Same principles apply. We're really focusing on this retraction of the shoulder blades to create space for you to move into your dip while keeping the elbows nice and stacked. I'd rather you find a body position that looks similar to this than pike, because I feel like pike is harder to progress. Then lastly, we're just moving into our normal concentric static dips. You're aiming to get about 4 to 6 reps statically before we move on to the rings.